Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to refer a friend on FreeCash. In this video, I'll show you how to refer a friend to FreeCash. After logging into the official website, focus on the left-hand side, click on the affiliate section. Here, you see your current balance, the option to claim it, and your unique referral link. Simply copy this link and share it via email or your favorite social media platforms. You can also customize your referral link by clicking the pencil icon. Scrolling down, you find the different reward tiers, starting at 5% commission at Tier 1 and increasing up to 30% commission as you refer more people. Each time someone registers using your link, you earn a commission, making it an easy and rewarding way to share free cash with friends while boosting your own balance. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.